I have done this every single day, 2 to 3 times a day for 30 days straight. This is going to allow you to really pick up momentum, but even better, fail faster. Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can gain over 10,000 new followers on Instagram in less than 30 days. Here you can see my results. Gained about 12,000 so far. I'm currently at 15,385, but this has been working phenomenally well. Let's jump into this exact strategy so that you can do this for yourself as well. So my current workflow is creating content within TikTok first. I personally just like the TikTok video editor, so I use that primarily first. And I repurpose my content from TikTok onto Instagram, and it is literally getting me thousands of followers and thousands of views constantly. And how I'm really doing this is through leveraging Instagram Reels right now. So if we go into account reach, you can see here that the vast majority of where these views are coming in from is Instagram Reels. Now I'm also posting regular posts, I'm sharing stories, I'm doing a couple IGTV videos, and you can see here like over 1 million impressions in the last 30 days, 11,000 profile visits, 800 website taps. This has just been a phenomenal strategy. So let's jump into exactly how to do this workflow so that you can grow on Instagram really fast too and take advantage of all of this. So Reels is presenting a really amazing opportunity for growth right now that I just don't see on any other platform aside from TikTok. So really my workflow is starting on TikTok, creating that video first, and then what I do is I'll go into this video, I will share and I will copy this link, and then I go over to this website called snaptik.app. I paste that URL in there like so, and I download it. What this does is it removes the watermark that's on your TikTok video. This is important because TikTok or Instagram has told us several times they don't like repurposed content. So if your video has a watermark on it, it will potentially suppress that video's full potential. So just do this quick little step. You can easily download it from here. Then I come over into Instagram and I post it as a reel. I upload that same video that I just downloaded. For instance, I add this as a reel, and then once that video is posted as a reel, I also share that directly into my stories, and then I save those stories as a highlight on my profile. Now, here's one of the most important elements to focus on here. Consistency is key. I have done this every single day, 2 to 3 times a day for 30 days straight. This is going to allow you to really pick up momentum, but even better, fail faster. And what I mean by that is the more content that you're posting, the more that you realize what works and what doesn't work so that you can double down on what works. This is going to lead to faster growth. So if you can see some of these videos here, the most useful website style videos have performed exceptionally well. So I continue to do that. So see, this one here did 13,000. This next one did 10,000, right? Incredibly useful website, 10,000 again. I continue to double down on that subject matter because I know that that's a video that is going to perform exceptionally well. And some of these have done even better here. Most useful website of all time, 18,000 views, right? 3 life-changing websites, 16,000 views. Tons of these have done exceptionally well. And this is just leading to so many different opportunities. So continue with this every single day if possible. Some people will tell you you don't need to post every single day, but if you're just starting from scratch or you're ready to take things seriously, my advice is to fail faster. Create as much content on here as you can so that you can double down. Start with uploading a lot more content, and then you can go towards the quality route. Once you figure out exactly what works for you and is getting exceedingly more views and more engagement than your other content, then you can slow it down a little bit. But you got to figure out what works faster. The other important thing to note here is to create content for a specific audience that you want to reach. So I run a digital marketing agency. All of the content that I create is around reaching potential business owners, providing them with as much value as possible, from useful websites that will benefit their business, digital marketing tips and tricks, SEO content, much like this YouTube channel here. Create content with your user in mind, provide them with exceptional value, and stick with it consistently. That is the secret to your success if you want to gain followers on Instagram really fast like I have here. If you want to learn more digital marketing tips and strategies to grow your business online, click on this next video right above me, and I'll see you in that video.